South Africans pay tribute to Trompies member Mojalefa Mjokes Matsane. Mjokes is currently trending on Twitter after the news of his death was made known. The star passed away in a car crash in the early hours on Sunday, 23 May 2021. Spokesperson Venolia Ganess: "They are saddened by the loss. It is with regret and sadness that we announce that our director and the fifth member of Trompies, Mojalefa Matsane, passed away in a car accident. The accident happened in the early hours of this morning after a performance with Trompies." However, many South Africans have taken to their social media to send their condolences to the deceased family. Eugene Tetwa, a member of Trompies, announced Matsane's death on Facebook. "And then when we are excited to have our first live performance in our neighborhood since lockdown, we are abruptly woken up to the saddest news since the existence of Trompies. One of our members has passed on from a car accident," quote Tetwa wrote. According to Tetwa, Matsane had joined Trompies for a performance at the Dlathu pub and restaurant in Soweto, south of Johannesburg, where all the members of the group grew up. He was driving home after their performance when he was involved in a car accident, details of which have not been revealed. Trompies began making music in 1990 and released their debut album Xolani Gwala in 1995. Matsane, popularly known as Mjokes, was the lead singer of the fivesome famed for such hits as Sweet Lavo, Mogasman, Filoza, Zodwa, Banjangaka, Current, and Malapuladu. Matsane also had a successful solo career, using the name Copperhead. One of his singles, Umtwanik, brought him success. Apart from being one of the founders and directors of record label Kalawa Jasmi, Matsane was also a successful businessman after venturing into the construction industry. The surviving members of Trompies are Tetwa, Mandlas Bikiri Mofaking, Zane Mahuta Sibia, and Jairus Jakarambankwi.